Okay, so there's our black wires over there. Now I got to do the same thing with the white wires. And you don't have to run your screwdriver over here and try to hold your mouth just right and do it with your left hand. No, you slide those out of the way like that. Keep track of what you're doing here. We know the blacks are there. Now I'm just going to take this and flip it upside down. You can do that, right? Just flip it upside down like that. And let's undo these screws. You catching that? See how, and when they do these, see how that it's wrapped around the same direction as when you tighten up this screw. It wraps around the same way. So when you put them back on the right direction. Okay. I'm gonna leave them about like that. And here's the ground one. See, now I can kind of flip them around. Actually, you know what? I think I can leave it right like that. So when I do this one, I'll hook this one up first, okay? Just like the location where it is, then I can flip it around. Yeah, I've never done that. I've never done that before. But today is my lucky day. Oh, man. Green ground screw is giving me fits. These came right out, but the ground screw, wow. You know, maybe I can just lift this up a little bit, slide that out. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that ground screw on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take these other screws off. Let's see if you can see all what I'm doing. I'm pretty sure you can. See, they just back out so far, and then it takes a little bit of an oomph to get them out, okay? Okay, so I can gently put that on there like that. And that's where I'm gonna need my little wire strippers just to kind of push that back down there like that. You see? I'm tightening up that ground screw. Let's get that one done, shall we? Okay. Now in these, see, I can just put it through the hole like that. And see if I can't line that up carefully. Okay. Hey, get out of there. Hey there. See, I've got that exactly where it needs to be. Just like that. Get it in there tight. See, I thought I had it, but it wasn't tight all the way. See how big that loop is? They should have done that a little bit smaller. Where she stops, nobody knows. Here it is. Now before I tighten that down, see, when you have a loop like that, you should press it closer together. I think they forgot to do that. You see how it's wrapped around the same direction there. I'm gonna tighten that up. I got that tight. Now I'm gonna take that and flip it around, like that. Okay, that's what it should look like so far. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.